what we're looking at here is a 1990 encon Corinthian, I believe is how it's pronounced. I'm not entirely sure. Hugger ceiling fan here in the back bedroom. This is my sister's room, and she's not home right now, so I might as well get a little update on this fan since I haven't filmed this fan in quite a while. This fan is original to this room, actually. It's been here since brand new. And there is I believe this is the light. Yeah, there is an LED light on the fan, and it's getting dark out, and I don't have the flash on. So I kind of have to run the fan with the light, unfortunately. But let's do a little walk around on it. Now, as you can see, this fan has gotten more dirty since the last time I filmed it. This is the dirtiest I've actually seen this fan. Yeah. This fan has definitely gotten some use over the past few years, months. No, it has not been cleaned recently, but as you can see, it has been cleaned a fair amount of times, but not recently. Hopped on the bed here. You can see the top of the fan. See the motor. I'm not too sure what motor is in it. Blade pitch is maybe 15 degrees, maybe slightly lower. Just by guessing. It's a 4-blade fan. It is reversible to wood on the top of the blades. There's the reversing switch, and I believe this fan has never been reversed in its life. So, without further ado, ow, forgot how tall that goddamn bed is. There's the 06 Amana as well that I gotta film this summer, but without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up on low. This fan starts up on high, so here we go. Yeah, that light is not original to the fan, so don't mind it. And this fan also runs great for never being oiled. In typical encon fashion. I thought I heard something. It does make slight noise, the motor. It does make slight noise, but it's been doing that for years, so typical 90s encon SMC. I don't believe this is an SMC. I think it's an encon. Well, it's branded encon high efficiency. I'm not too sure who made this fan. If anyone does know, put it in the comment section down below. But I believe this is from the 90s. I actually think this is a 1990 model. Even though it looks like it's from the 80s more, but that's just me. That's low. Don't mind the light. Medium. Oh, it's an M7. Sorry about that. I thought there was a MP15 passing. Here's medium. Let's bring it to high. And here's high speed. You can hear it's definitely making a little, it's making a little noise, but it's been making that noise for years, so it's not really a concern, and it's also pretty damn quiet. And also, I forgot how powerful this little thing is. I'm not too sure the size of this fan. I believe it's 42 inches. I'm not entirely sure. It could be smaller. Looks to be about 42. Maybe 32. I'm not entirely sure. Don't know, because this fan has been in this house longer than me, so well, this fan's older than me, so this fan's almost 30 years old now. And it's blowing. It's definitely a powerful little thing. It's blowing a good amount of air. Actually, I forgot how powerful this little thing was. It's actually blowing a decent amount of air. Don't know if you're going to be able to see it. No. Okay. I was going to run it with the light off, but apparently you're not going to be able to see it, so I got to do a video with the light off running it. But yeah, you can definitely hear it. Hear the motor hopping on the bed here. Alright, now let's go ahead and shut her down. And watch it coast. Or is that medium? That's off. It starts from high to medium, low, and then off. Which I don't like, but most fans start off like that. And you can see how good the bearings still are in this thing by watching it coast. And this thing runs smooth for how old it is and how much this thing gets ran. I mean, this fan never got ran. I mean, this fan got ran pretty rarely. I mean, only when I used to come over, sleep in here, I used to play with it when I was a kid, but yeah, this fan has been in here since I was a kid. But since this is my sister's room now, it stops pretty quickly, but you can see how good the bearings are still in this. It's gotten used a hell of a lot more, as you can see, but it's not making any more noise than what it was 3 years ago, so it's making the same amount of noise, which is good. And there goes a diesel. So, thanks for watching.